Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is IRE class 5. Today you want us to learn pillars of Iman. And the pillars of Iman, we have attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and their meanings. As you know, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has 99 names which we call them attribute of Allah, the 99 attribute of Allah. But today we want us to look some of them. We cannot list them all of them here, but we want us to look some of them. Let us try to see the meaning and the attribute of Allah. They are as follows. Number one is Al-Khaliq. The meaning of Al-Khaliq means the creator, the one who created everything on this earth, the one who created the earth and the heaven in a duration of 6 days and what's in between them. Al-Bari, the inventor, originator. This is now the inventor or the originator. Al-Musawwir, we call it the designer. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has designed his creatures into different ways. So when you see different kind of people who has different kind of colors, that's how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala designed them. When you see different kind of animals, that's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala designed them. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is called Al-Musawwir, which means the designer. Al-Ghaffar. Al-Ghaffar, this is now the great forgiver. Whenever we are asking forgiveness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we say Astaghfirullah, which means that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive us. So the Al-Ghaffar, which means the great forgiver. He is the only one who forgives and no one else. Whenever we commit a sin, we ask forgiveness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The other one is Al-Qahhar. Al-Qahhar. That means the dominant, the big. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala dominated everything on this earth. Nothing is bigger than him. The other one is Al-Wahhab. Al-Wahhab means the bestower, the best giver now. The bestower or the best giver. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who bestowed. No one else can bestow over. And he is the only one who gives everything to his creature. Let us continue looking to the next part. We continue from where we have stopped. This is now Ar-Razaq, which means the provider and sustainer. Whenever we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to provide us something, we call him Ar-Razaq. He is the one who provides us whatever we do, our daily basis, our day-to-day basis. The other one is Al-Fattah, which means the judge or the opener and the successor. Whenever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asking for us to open for us a door to make us very successful, he is the one who is doing for us all that. So we call him Al-Fattah. The other one is Al-Alim, which means that the all-knowing and all-knowing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who knows everything. He is the only one who can know what will happen tomorrow and what will happen in future. So he is called Al-Alim. He is Al-Knowing. He is all-knowing. The other one is Al-Qabid, which means that the straightener or provider of life. Whenever you see someone is leading in a very beautiful life, we call it what? Al-Qabid. All that is done by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let us proceed to the next part and then see the attribute of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In this part, we will look at the attribute of the Prophet, the attribute of the Prophet and the character of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The prophets are chosen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These are the people who are sent by Allah to his people in order to deliver the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So prophets are chosen by Allah. These are specific people, unique. They were chosen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not choose anybody to spread the religion of Islam. No. These are specific people, they are individuals who are being chosen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The other one is all prophets are protected. Allah protect them from all the sinful acts. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect them to commit a sin. These are the reporters from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They took information from God through Angel Jibreel and they deliver to his people. They were given miracles to perform their messages that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given them. Some are given books, they are known as Rasuls. Those who are given books are known as Rasul, which means that the messengers, they are messengers now, they are called messengers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala honored them differently. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala honored them differently. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala honored them differently. These are some of the and these are some of the attributes of Allah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I hope everybody will listen very attentively and very keenly, and as you write, you will also listen. This part will also look at prophets who were chosen because why were the prophet chosen? Why? The reason why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chosen these individual peoples who came from a certain community or certain clan. They were chosen because they were truthful and honest. They never spoke lie. They never be dishonest. So they were truthful and honest. They were kind and firm to the people that they were sent to. They were faithful and trusted. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala trusts them, and they were faithful to their people. They were knowledgeable and wise. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given that capacity to be very wise, that brain to be very knowledgeable. They were very wise and they were speaking wisdom. They were care and patient. They took care of the people who were sent them. They avoided them not to commit sins, and they preached them about one God and Islam. They were brave and courageous. They were serving Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They were very brave. They never hesitate or they never fear when serving Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Devoted and just. So these people are people who are very just and equal. They were serving everything equality. In that very much, I wish you all the best, and I hope you listen as you are writing. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.